part about these off-season events, especially as a first-time mentor, is the community. The students are excited, the parents, the volunteers, all the other event coordinators. It's just a joy to be a part of that community and be welcomed in.
Our team really loves getting to meet with other teams, and also this is a good opportunity for our drive team to switch in and out of drivers, and we can get a feel for new things that we want to try during the season.
We came from Maryland to come to Ramp Riot because of the atmosphere, the experience. My team has been going to Ramp Riot for many years now. It's just every time it's such a fun experience.
We wanted to help inspire the future generation of women in STEM, and we wanted to show girls that whatever they want to do is possible, and we wanted to give them advice.
One of the good things about Sparky's Robots is how it gives the opportunity for kids to explore the areas that they want to maybe pursue in high school or college.
Ramp Riot's my team's last competition of the year, so I guess I look forward to seeing how we're going to close it out.